Welcome to our presentation of QButterfly, a lightweight survey extension for online user interaction studies for non-tech-savvy researchers. Let's start with a typical situation. We designed two websites with multiple web pages and wanted to determine which website leads to a higher recall in terms of the embedded privacy information. This is a typical example for an online user interaction study. We want to collect behavioral data in terms of user clicks and survey data through collecting information recall. In many areas, such as marketing or human-computer interaction, researchers want to track user behavior on websites. However, they cannot just rely on tools like Google Analytics because they might be also interested in other information from the user, such as age or gender. But this poses a technically integration challenge because you have different tools, some for survey functionality and others for behavioral tracking functionality that you would need to integrate. Also from the user's perspective, this can be problematic because users need to switch between different tools during your study. And that is the reason we designed QButterfly, because we wanted to facilitate these kind of online user interaction studies for non-tech savvy researchers. This is how the QButterfly approach works. A tiny tracking script is embedded into the website. The website is embedded as an iframe into the survey tool. The survey tool is used to control the survey flow. Participants are directed to the survey tool, where their behavioral data is automatically collected. After the survey, you can simply download the behavioral data together with the other data from the survey tool. Currently, QButterfly is available for Qualtrics and LimeSurvey as open source. You can record user clicks and further contributions are welcome. QButterfly has been verified in a lab and a field study, and it has been used in two large human-computer interaction studies. What are the benefits of QButterfly? You can create and design studies more easy, even if you are a non-tech savvy researcher. You can reuse existing functionality, such as randomization or different question types, instead of having to rewrite them in your own code. And researchers can replicate ideas more easily because we have a verified study infrastructure. Let's start with a simple demo. You're now seeing a survey hosted by Qualtrics. Inside the survey, the website appears as an iframe. The survey tool records user interaction if we play around with the website. Here you see what was recorded. Usually we wouldn't show this information to the participants. This is just a demo. The recording shows the timestamp of each click event together with the event type, such as button 1 click or button 2 click. This is a timestamp and this is the event type. We have successfully used QButterfly in two user studies. This is a demo of our 2021 CHI paper in which different privacy notices were tested in different experimental setups. Again, the user interaction is recorded by Qualtrics. Now let's have a look at how to set up QButterfly for your study. First, you must load the QButterfly template into your service tool. Afterwards, you need to set the basic parameters that define how to embed your web page, such as the URL or the size of the window. Here's the URL. Here are the window parameters. Then you embed the QButterfly JavaScript into the web page or into the web pages you want to present to the participants. That is a web page. As you can see, we have embedded the tiny script. We have set the parameter for the survey URL, and every relevant element got an ID. Your study is now ready to go. After the study, you can download the participants' data from the service tool. As you can see here, the user data and the tracking data are stored in the same data set. They are ready for your analysis. We provide an Excel sheet that allows you, for example, to identify if certain events have been activated or to calculate the interval between two events.